Hello guys! Have you heard of that nowadays people don't use dedicated devices to detect the internal resistance of the battery pack unit on your EV? Because XTOOL has launched a very amazing new function. It can detect the internal resistance totally by the tablet. No need to take out the battery pack unit and connect with the clamps anymore. The process is just simple and easy. Let's go! Okay, first let's enter battery pack detection. Let's locate BYD. It's an E2. Battery pack data. And onboard 320 volts, 135 amps hour. Then there it is, the dynamic internal resistance test. Here we go. This is a reminder. Okay, now we need to let the vehicle run or it won't start the internal resistance analysis. So let's go. It's gonna take around 3 to 5 minutes, and if you want to make the process faster, you could accelerate and brake sharply. As we can see, it jumped from 46%. Okay, so as we can see, the process is completed and it has automatically generated a report. We can save it here or preview for now. As we can see, there is a detailed internal resistance data of every single cell of this battery pack, like it here. It's just good and easy. That's it. Have you got it? It's no longer difficult to detect the internal resistance of every single cell of your battery pack unit. So, update your XTOOL tablet and try it out. And want to learn more EV repair tips? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.